Iryana Zarutska. Talk about being in the wrong place at the wrong time. As bystanders watched her get stabbed 5 times in the neck, suppress her screams and her pain, and fall silently into the pool of blood that she later died in. Nobody got up to help her. And the worst part is that the man, the deranged psychopath that stabbed her, was released on a cashless bail. He had 15 other prior offenses. His own mother said that he has schizophrenia and shouldn't be left to walk roaming free on the streets. And this is the government that we live and allow to dictate our lives with. This is the government that all of the sheep will support. So, all I can say, anyone with a brain, it is time to put our people first. We are all one people. It doesn't matter which country we come from or what religion we have. It is time to unite as a human race and outcast all of these demonic, evil, sinister, corrupt beings, monsters, and demons from this world. So if you're a police officer and you see somebody innocently, unintentionally breaking the law, it's your duty to shut your mouth and let them be. Because if you can't even put a man that stabs an innocent woman in jail, then how fucking dare you try to dictate us and tell us what to do? All I can say with confidence is that the law system hate us. They will do anything to protect the bad guys, like all of the pedophiles that roam the streets free, ready to reoffend whenever they feel like it, because the government are run by satanic, evil pedophiles and criminals. So this poor girl has now lost her life. The man that did this to her is roaming free. And all I can say to you is that we need to stop being sheep and fight for ourselves. We are not the victim. People that have a position to help, use it. Whether it's helping somebody out financially, whether it's being a police officer and turning a blind eye to the innocent, whether it's having Anything. There are so many job positions where you can help and you need to. And you need to stop supporting this government. We need to take matters into our own hands. How truly tragic is that? I can't believe that that man is walking free right now. They have us paying fines and they treat people like criminals, losing their licenses, demerit points, offenses for this and that so they can have fancy cars, fancy guns, helicopters. And in the end, what does it do for us? They don't care about families falling apart, but they would charge somebody for parking their car in the wrong place. This law system don't care about us. So if you see someone parked in the wrong place, don't give them a ticket. You don't know what their situation is there, what is and why they parked there. Wherever you can help, it's time to start. We need a rebellion.